Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change language in Acorn box. And if you're using Acorn box and the app language is confusing, difficult to read or not your preferred language, then this video is exactly for you. Acorn box is a digital wallet and app that helps users manage their money, transaction and account activity easily. But if the language is not set correctly, even simple options like setting transfer profile details can become hard to understand. So this video I'm going to show you how to change the language in Acorn box step by step in a very simple and beginner friendly way. So over here what you can do is select your Acorn box and make sure to log into your account. And also if you do not have an Acorn yet, you can go to the Play Store or the App Store and download it from there as well. And once you reach into this dashboard of the Acorn box, in the top right corner we can see there's a small profile icon. Tap over there, and once you reach into this profile section, select to the setting. And over here on the setting we can see there's an option for the language icon. Tap on the language. Here you can select any of the language that you prefer and it will automatically set to your language or your preference. And once selected, you can go back to the home screen. You'll see the Acorn box is now displayed in your language. And that is it. That's how you can change language in Acorn box easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Acorn box tutorial. And if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.